Get acquainted with the 2023 Nissan Altima. Take a closer look at this sporty and practical Altima. From its athletic performance to its available all-weather capability to its spacious, comfortable cabin, this stylish, safety-minded midsize is the ideal family sedan. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, variable speed intermittent wipers, floor mats. Get into a family-focused sedan that knows how to have fun. This sporty Altima won't last long. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.